Hey everyone, it's me, Scott from HostGator, and in this episode of Hosted, do you guys hear that? Do you know what that means? Lightning round! Oh, I love lightning round. Here we go. 5 pages every website needs, and go! Woo! Mike, put 30 seconds on the clock. Okay, and go! Number 1, you gotta have a homepage. A homepage is the big show, the main event, like when the Lakers and the Clippers play. Exciting? I don't know baseball. The homepage gives your visitors their first impression of your website and your brand, and will immediately determine if someone will stay or say, see you later. When crafting a homepage, you should think about it from your customer's perspective. What are they looking for? How did they find your site? Why did they find their site? Why did they find your site? Then keep your messaging simple and clear through both copy, what we call the written word, and images. Navigation should also be easy and intuitive. Number 2, about page. Your about page is super important, especially if your name is Page and your site is a portfolio site and your about page is an about page about page. The about page is your opportunity to elaborate on your values and mission and to lead your visitors to get to know a little bit more about you and your brand. Number 3, product or services page. If your site is at all entrepreneurial in nature, your product or services page is super important since it will convert casual visitors to paying customers. The key here is to sell the benefits of your product and not necessarily the features. Show how your customers will feel after purchasing your product. I always recommend trying to put yourself in the customer's shoes to optimize the user experience and see how your product or services are presented. To really hit your products or services page out of the park, use professional photos and videos to add additional interest in whatever it is you're selling. Mike, how's my time?
I don't know, we added in post.
Kill him. Number 4, a blog. Having a regularly updated blog is a great way to keep your visitors and customers coming back. With blog posts, you can feature product updates, share the latest trends, provide useful and interesting information, and help build your company voice and identity. And to search engines, a regularly updated blog looks like a regularly updated site, which indexes higher in search results. So having a blog can actually help improve your SEO. Plus, it gives you more opportunity to rank for long tail and more generic queries. Win-win!
Yeah.
And finally, number 5, contact page. I'm more of a glasses guy myself, but to each their own. Oh, not that kind of contact? Well, giving visitors the ability to reach out is crucial in building a following, business, or brand. What better way than a contact page? Showing your contact information provides the foundation for building relationships with your visitor and is often the first point of entry for initiating contact with potential customers. Use a contact form, provide an email address, share an Instagram or LinkedIn profile, or all of the above. I don't know. Time. Mike, how do we do?
I have no idea.
Whew! What a rush, baby. Love a good lightning round. And there you have it. The 5 pages your site should have.
Who's Jeff?
The 5 pages your site should have. Well, probably. Every use case is different, but for the most part, these 5 pages will get you going in the right direction. In our next episode, Clippers versus the Lakers. Who will win? Lakers, right? Always. No? Okay. LeBron. All right, bye. Woo. Mike, what's your favorite basketball team?
I don't really follow basketball, to be honest.
But if you had to choose one,
I don't know.
just for the sake of, because we're shooting a show right now.
No, I can't think of anyone.
Can you just say the Lakers? Off the record, can you just say Lakers we have to get this on camera?
Is that a team?
Yeah.